Hello! Ako po si Lynette Alawigan from Ilagan, Isabela at ako po ay ex-OFW from Saudi Arabia for 7 years. Housekeeping po ako sa isang public hospital. Nakilala ko si Anicon sa friend ko at dahil nakita niya nga sa Facebook na meron silang bagong program which is the 3+3 paid internship in Bulgaria. So wow, na-curious naman kami doon, Bulgaria, Europe country na yun, So, na-curious din kami dun sa 3 months online studying and then 3 months ang internship nila sa Bulgaria. Bale, nag-attend kami ng webinar at na-discuss naman ni Mr. Angelo yung mga steps para sa program na yon. And marami kaming naging challenges from the beginning at hanggang sa dumating ang mga contracts, hanggang sa nagkaroon kami ng schedule for visa appearance, and we are so happy at very worth it lahat ng mga pinaghirapan or napaghirapan namin at nila sa program na to, at hindi nila kami pinabayaan during our visa appearance in Vietnam. Sir Jello and Mr. and Mrs. Suratin, maraming salamat sa inyo dahil hindi nyo kami pinabayaan in terms na maraming nangyaring aberya. Still, hindi nyo kami pinabayaan. Nag-stay kayo para sa amin, para hanggang sa matapos ang aming visa appearance sa Vietnam. I choose to take this 3+3 paid internship program dahil na-excite kami sa snow. Hindi, joke lang. Kasi, na-curious kami, kung ano yung mangyayari sa amin after the classes and after the internship. Bale, nag-take talaga kami ng risk para dito sa program na to, kahit may mga doubt na tayo na baka hindi tayo matuloy, baka scam yan, lahat yan. Alam ni Sir Jello yan, alam ng Anicon yan, but still, they are so transparent. Wow, Sir Jello, that's you. Very transparent sila sa lahat ng mga documents from day 1 until ng aming final departure, diba? I choose ATC because of their program 3+3 paid internship, and syempre nakita namin ito yung magiging stepping stone namin para makapunta ng Europe, at mabilis lang siya compared sa mga na-applyan ko before. Ayun, so we are looking forward, of course, after the internship ay ma-adapt kami sa hotel ng pag-applyan namin, and also magkaroon kami ng job offer at maghanap ng employer at magkaroon ng stable job. So, come and join us if you're interested, and if you are planning to study abroad, I highly recommend ATC, and you may check their Facebook page to see what other programs that they are offering in other countries as well, like Korea, in Croatia, in Spain, in Italy, and of course, in Bulgaria. Make Anicon your way to your dream. Thank you, Anicon!